When it comes to business software, especially for managing finances, one of the most critical features that businesses look for is analytics. But which one has better analytics, Billy or ZarMoney? That's the question we'll answer today. Both of these platforms claim to provide useful data for businesses, but when you dig deeper, how do they really stack up? Let's start with Billy. Billy has some strong features that set it apart, especially for small businesses. Their analytics tools give you a good snapshot of your financial health with income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports. They're all pretty basic but functional. Billy's dashboard isn't too complicated, which is a plus for those who want to quickly understand where their business stands. However, the granularity of these reports could be better. For example, if you want deep insights into specific areas like client profitability or project-based analytics, you're not going to get much detail out of Billy. It's decent for basic financial oversight, but beyond that, it lacks the advanced capabilities some businesses need. Next thing, let's talk about ZarMoney. ZarMoney offers more in terms of its analytics tools, and the platform is definitely aimed at businesses looking for a little more depth. For starters, ZarMoney provides real-time reporting, so you get instant access to how your business is performing at any given moment. It's much more robust in terms of project-based reporting, and you can drill down into specific customer transactions and invoices. ZarMoney also lets you create custom reports, which is huge for businesses that need flexibility. However, there's a downside. While the analytics are deeper, the interface can feel a bit overwhelming at times. The learning curve is steeper compared to Billy, and that can be a turnoff if you're looking for something more intuitive and user-friendly. Now, let's look at how they compare side by side. Billy's simplicity is a big advantage for new or small businesses. If all you need is basic tracking and overview of your finances, Billy's a great choice. But when it comes to customization and diving deeper into your financials, ZarMoney shines through with its detailed reports and real-time access to data. The fourth thing to mention is pricing. While both platforms have competitive pricing, Billy is generally a bit more affordable for smaller businesses or startups, especially if you don't need anything too complex. ZarMoney, on the other hand, is better for companies looking for that extra level of insight and customization, but it's priced a bit higher, and for some users, that might not justify the extra cost unless you're scaling up or need complex reporting. But here's the twist. While both of these platforms have their merits, after using them myself, I can say that there's an alternative that offers a far more streamlined experience with even better analytics. And if you're serious about getting the most out of your financial data, I recommend you check out the first link in the description for a free trial of the platform I've been using. This isn't just any free trial, it comes with exclusive benefits for our viewers, so you're getting the best deal available. Billy and ZarMoney are both solid options depending on your needs, but if analytics are at the top of your list, don't miss the chance to explore the platform I'm recommending today. Go ahead and take advantage of the free trial. It's a game changer.